Your tomorrow's coming. Tomorrow. I want you to think about tomorrow. You say, Doc, why do you want us to think about tomorrow? Well, because it's easy to concentrate on what is not today. Think about that. Most times when we're dealing with situations and dealing with circumstances, it's easy for us to respond out of what is going on presently. Whatever. Some people they're in business, some people are in working their jobs, and maybe you was looking for a promotion and it hasn't come yet. Tomorrow. Maybe you have some situations going on that you believe in God to do some things for your children. Tomorrow. Maybe there's some people that you've been praying for and it don't seem like it's getting any better. But tomorrow, you got to tell yourself, I'm looking for my tomorrow, regardless of how things appears to be today. So, but you got to be determined that, hey, I'm getting to my tomorrow. I'm not going to stay stuck in the past. I'm not going to keep dwelling on the things that has held me in bondage. I'm not going to keep dwelling on the things that are temporary, that are subject to change. I'm not going to continue to dwell on the things that's got me on pause, that's trying to block me, that's trying to stop me. No, on tomorrow, things are going to change. But your tomorrow can't get here unless you have a mindset that I'm going to do something and expect something today. So you can't give up or get discouraged or get frustrated or hesitate because things are on the way. You need to speak right now and decree and declare right now, my tomorrow of plenty is coming. That's right. My tomorrow of plenty is coming. It doesn't matter what it's been like, doesn't matter what it has appeared to be. You got to make up in your mind, I can't stay stagnant. Because stagnation will cause you to not look for your tomorrow. Stagnation will cause you to settle for things to be like they are. And you'll lose all hope with no expectation of anything getting better for you and things coming to you. No, on tomorrow, things are going to show up. On tomorrow, things are coming for you. God has plenty of things planned for you tomorrow. He is accelerating some things. That's that word again, acceleration. He's accelerating some things. And so you got to continue to move in the direction of where these things are going to go and where God is going to take you and where they're going to meet you. There's some stuff going to meet you as you go. I'm going to set my mind on what's coming tomorrow and not on what has happened or try to victimize me on today. Tomorrow I will see exactly what God has for me.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about